Guys, thanks and welcome to my channel. It's Martin G, aka Netpreneur, and today we will learn how to find the best high converting golden ticket ClickBank products to promote. If this is your first time of actually watching any of my videos or visiting my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and also tap the bell notification icon so you'll be the first in line to be notified whenever I upload or publish new videos. Remember, the early bird catches the worm, so if you are the first in line to be notified whenever I publish or upload new contents, that means you'll be the first to have access to first-hand information about how to make money online, how to succeed with affiliate marketing, and also other tips and tricks. Alright guys, and if you're still struggling to make sales with ClickBank, I've also prepared a free report for you. And this report is going to teach you how to make at least $1,000 weekly from promoting ClickBank products. I've also added several other resources that will help you succeed with ClickBank, and you can find the download or access links to all of these in the description below. Don't forget to check it out. Alright guys, without wasting any further time, let's head straight to the business of the day. And like I said earlier, today we will be learning how to find the best high converting golden ticket ClickBank products to promote. Now, finding the best high converting ClickBank products to promote isn't rocket science. It's as easy as counting 1, 2, 3 or reading ABC. The reason why a lot of people fail with ClickBank affiliate marketing is simply because they don't know how to find or select these golden ticket products that will earn them thousands of dollars in recurring commissions on a regular basis. And if you fall into this category of people and you've been searching for a way out, I urge you to watch this video attentively because I'll be showing you the exact step-by-step method on how you can carefully select and promote high converting golden ticket ClickBank products. Are you ready to get started? If yes, grab a bowl of popcorn or your favorite soda and watch me do this. But before we proceed, I'd like to highlight and provide more information about this high converting golden ticket products. Now, the high converting golden ticket products are products that will increase in popularity very quickly, and you can easily jump on these products and leverage on their hype and popularity around these products to make some really cool cash very quickly. That being said, let's head to the ClickBank marketplace so you can see how this is done. Alright guys, so we've actually landed on the ClickBank marketplace, and for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be using the health and fitness category. Yeah, I'll be using the health and fitness category to demonstrate or carry out my demonstration. Now, by default, the highest performing product in each category always takes the #1 position, but you can also select from low to high, but by default is always from high to low. And the reason why a particular product takes the first position or stays in the first position is because it's performing highly. It's actually converting. Now, there's something I want you to watch out for whenever you check out or you're trying to look for products to promote on ClickBank in a particular category. Let's use the product on the first position for the health and fitness as our case study. Now, as you can see, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is the #1 product in the health and fitness category, and this is simply because it has outperformed or it has done better than other products in that category. And I want you to, whenever you're trying to look for a golden ticket or high converting ClickBank product to promote, I need you to pay attention to the statistics. And as you can see, the initial conversion is $134. The recurring bill is $34, and the gravity score is 595.21. The gravity score is what I want you to pay attention to. That's the most important part. Yeah. Now, this the gravity score explains why a particular product is ranking higher than others. Yeah, because the higher the gravity score, it increases the chances of you making sales if you choose to promote it. In a nutshell, the ClickBank gravity score is a performance metric, is a statistic, a number which represents a unique calculation by ClickBank. This takes into account the number of different affiliates who have successfully made sales or earned a commission by promoting that particular product over the past 12 weeks. Using the Okinawa flat belly tonic as a case study, as you can see, it has a gravity score of 595, and this simply means that over 595 affiliates have made one or more sales from promoting the Okinawa flat belly tonic in the past 12 weeks. This is a clear indication that the Okinawa flat belly tonic is a bestseller. It's currently the number one at the time of making this video. It's the number one product on the health and fitness category, and it's converting like wildfire. So if you hop on and join the trend and promote this product, you guarantee to make sales. Yeah, if you actually promote it the right way. That being said, I also get a lot of questions from affiliates asking me what a good gravity score for a ClickBank product is. Usually, products that have between 20 to 100 gravity score are good enough to be promoted. A product with a gravity score of 20 and above is a definite proof of a great sales page, and it also shows that it's an indicator that affiliates have successfully promoted and sold that particular product. So if you're looking for a new product to promote on ClickBank, always go for products with a gravity score of 20 and above. It's a clear indicator or pointer that that product converts and people actually buy. All right, guys, this is all you need to know about how to find high converting golden tickets products to promote on ClickBank. And if you have any questions related to this subject or ClickBank in general, kindly leave a comment in the description section of this video. Also, if this is your first time of visiting my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell notification icon so you'll be the first in line to be notified whenever I publish or upload new content. Like I always say, the early bird catches the worm. So if you actually subscribe and tap the bell notification icon, will be the first in line to receive alerts for my new videos. And you know my videos always come loaded with juicy stuff like freebies and tips and stuff like that. So if you actually subscribe and tap the bell notification icon, I assure you won't miss out. Okay, guys, and one more thing, when you subscribe and tap the bell notification icon and also like my videos and subscribe to them or share them on your social media platform, it's going to increase my channel's popularity and help me move up YouTube rankings algorithm. This is going to inspire me to create more videos. So it's a win-win situation for me and you. Okay, so remember to also check out my bonuses and freebies in the description section of this video. Once again, it's Martin G, and I want to thank you for watching this video to the end. Stay blessed and keep an eye out for my next video. Peace. I'm signing out. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share my contents on your social media platforms, and subscribe to my channel.